Welcome to EnfinityCast. When we think of ancient superhighways, our minds almost always go to Rome. We picture legions marching down straight, paved roads that crisscrossed Europe. But halfway around the world, another empire, facing an entirely different set of challenges, built a road system that was arguably even more ambitious. Today, we're heading to the Andes to explore the Qhapaq Ñan, the Great Inka Road. And to help us navigate this incredible story, I'm joined by my co-host, Elias Whitlock.
It's great to be here, Elias, because to truly appreciate the Inca Road, you first have to appreciate the sheer audacity of building it. We're not talking about rolling hills, we're talking about the Andes Mountains. This is a landscape of jagged peaks reaching over 20,000 feet, plunging canyons, arid coastal deserts, and dense Amazonian jungle. And the Inca conquered this terrain without two things the Romans considered essential: the wheel and large draft animals like horses or oxen.
That's the critical point. This wasn't a road for carts. It was a road for people and llamas. The entire design philosophy was different. The network spanned over 25,000 miles, connecting modern-day Colombia to Chile. Instead of blasting through mountains, Inca engineers worked with them. They carved thousands of stone steps directly into vertical cliff faces, built retaining walls that have stood for over 500 years, and, most famously, they mastered the art of the suspension bridge.
Imagine a bridge woven from grass fibers, ichu grass, spun into cables as thick as a human torso. These bridges could span chasms hundreds of feet across. They were engineering marvels that were constantly maintained, with local communities reweaving them every year or two. It was a living, breathing part of the infrastructure.
And the road wasn't just a path, it was the circulatory system of the empire. It was designed for speed and communication. The Inca established a relay system of runners called chesquis. These messengers lived in huts along the road and could carry a message or a small item up to 150 miles in a single day. A message from Quito to the imperial capital of Cusco, a distance of over 1,200 miles, could arrive in under a week.
That's faster than the mail traveled in Europe at the time. And to support all this movement of messengers, armies, officials, and goods, the Inca built tombos, or way stations, every 10 to 15 miles. These weren't just simple rest stops. They were state-run complexes stocked with food, supplies, and lodging. It was a centrally planned, state-sponsored system on a scale that's difficult to comprehend. It allowed the Sapa Inca, the emperor, to project power and control from Cusco to the farthest corners of his realm.
Exactly. The Qhapaq Ñan wasn't just a logistical masterpiece, it was a tool of unification and a symbol of power. When the Inca conquered a new territory, they would immediately extend the road into it, physically binding the new subjects to the heart of the empire. It facilitated the movement of tribute, enforced a common language, and served as a constant visible reminder of the Inca state's reach and organization. It was the backbone of their world.
It truly was. The Great Inka Road is a stunning testament to human ingenuity adapted perfectly to its environment. It shows that there isn't one single path to advanced engineering. The Inca solved monumental problems with solutions that were sophisticated, sustainable, and utterly unique to their world.
A perfect way to put it. A reminder that history is full of incredible stories, if you know where to look. Thanks for joining us on EnfinityCast.